You can't say you've never wanted to do this before in your life. Brand new car wash here at Soft Touch. The works. Let's see how this works. So far, nothing. I'm impressed. Oh, look at that. Huh? Black lights and all, I guess. A lot of noise here. I'm gonna get out and get my bath now. Where I'm driving. Oh, that's water, huh? Oh, look at the little light. Carnauba shine. You can come through the nighttime and see this. Probably cheaper than the movies to pack up the car. So what the hell's going on out here? Huh. Oh, it's more rain. See, light at the end of the tunnel. See that over here. Low drive. You know what I meant. Yep. Alright. Our work is damn near done for the day. Take a little shot at the car wash. Oh, it's a beautiful Friday for a car wash. All I need is a pedicure and a manicure now, and I'm all set. Not bad. Alright. Y'all didn't see that Waffle House before, you do now. Alright. Let's get back to Orleans Parish.